With pandemics, pollution, and climate change, our air quality needs attention now more than ever. Even worse, indoor air is 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. Meet Albero. Albero is an ultra-powerful, ultra-silent, and ultra-efficient 3-in-1 smart air purifier that fits beautifully in your home. Unlike other home filters that collect bacteria, Albero kills and vaporizes 99% of the contaminants in your air. Albero uses an advanced patented nanotechnology that destroys viruses, bacteria, VOCs, mold, and more at a molecular level. A carefully calibrated UV light blasts the proprietary nanofilter, producing supercharged ions that attack and exterminate any contaminants passing through. Advanced air quality sensors detect smoke, carbon monoxide, gas leaks, VOCs, and other harmful substances. If it detects anything harmful, Albero alerts you via its app and will automatically eliminate these pollutants, running itself until your air is clear. Albero can run at an ultra-silent 18 decibels, which is quieter than a whisper, and features soft adjustable lighting to bring ambiance to any space. It's made of premium, eco-compatible, and recyclable materials. Its exterior nanocoating protects it from corrosion, scratches, and aging. Plus, the nanofilter is easily washable. No need for constant replacements. Simply remove, rinse, and return. You'll also gain access to our app, which connects you to the Albero community. See how you and everyone else in our community are collectively purifying the air all around the world. The air you breathe matters. From work to home, you deserve fresh, clean air wherever you go. Imagine a world where every breath you take is pure and fresh. No more contaminants, no more toxins, no more pollution. With Albero, you can finally take a deep breath of clean air. Join our community. Let's fight pollution, airborne diseases, and allergens to make this world a cleaner, healthier place. Together. Back our campaign today, and let's purify our air and our world, one Albero at a time.
This is Brew, the world's first automated tea machine, developed to make brewing tea in your home or office faster, easier, and more consistent. At the twist of a dial and push of a button, you can make the perfect cup of tea every time. With Brew, you're not limited to expensive capsules or pods. With our included stainless steel spoon and sieve, you can use any tea bags, loose leaf, or any other type of tea you like. Exploring new flavors has never been easier. Here's how it works. Fill the 2-liter tank on the back, use the spoon or sieve to place the tea of your choice inside, and close the lid. Place your cup on the removable drip tray, and then use the dial on the front to customize the brewing time, temperature, and water quantity to your preference. Press start and continue with your day while Brew does the rest for you. No mess, no fuss. Built-in safety sensors prevent accidental spillages. And our dishwasher-safe glass brewing chamber is perfectly shaped to make sure you get every last drop, minimizing waste. For those that want effortless self-cleaning, the Brew Plus model features our unique ring outlet that not only fills the brewing chamber evenly, but also fully rinses it after each cycle to keep it clean and fresh for next time. For those times when one cup isn't enough, Brew features an infinity pour mode that'll dispense water at the temperature of your choosing until you tell it to stop or the tank empties. We're waging war on the home kettle and want to help cut down on the millions of liters of wasted water each year from boiling of overfilled kettles. Every part of Brew has been specifically developed to make the tea brewing process fast, easy, and efficient, so you can enjoy the perfect cup of tea at the push of a button. Disposing of used tea is clean and simple. All removable parts like the catch tray and brewing chamber are dishwasher safe, so maintaining your machine couldn't be easier. We've been working with expert industrial designers to take Brew from an early concept right through to being ready for manufacturing. We've tested and drank hundreds of cups of tea and cannot wait to get Brew into the kitchens of fellow tea drinkers all around the world.